All right, happy Thursday to you, or as we like to call it, Little Friday. Thank God for His goodness and His mercy and His grace. She started in the Broadman hymnal today, and we're going to start on page 1. All hail the power of Jesus' name. He alone deserves our praise. All hail the power of Jesus' name. Let angels prostrate fall. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown Him Lord of all. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown Him Lord of all. He chosen seed of Israel's race, He ransomed from the fall. Hail Him who saves you by His grace, and crown Him Lord of all. Hail Him who saves you by His grace, and crown Him Lord of all. Let every kindred, every tribe on this celestial hall to Him all majesty ascribe, and crown Him Lord of all. To Him whom all majesty ascribe, and crown Him Lord of all. Oh, that with yonder sacred throne we at His feet may fall, we'll join the everlasting song and crown Him Lord of all. We'll join the everlasting song and crown Him Lord of all. And He is Lord of all. We give Him praise, honor, and glory for all that He's done. May God bless you and keep you. Let's keep praying one for another, lifting one another up. God's hand is going to see us through. You keep holding to God's unchanging hand, and He's going to make a way. God bless you and keep you. And may His hand be upon you. May He give you a most wonderful day and a great night's sleep.